Taking teacher attendance and staff attendance can be done through the HR screen or through the front desk screen. I will explain it using the HR screen by clicking on the attendance button. Brings up the teacher, take the teacher daily attendance. It opens a list of attendances that have been taken for each day of the year. These will be cleaned out once we set it up, but for now they show an example of how we'd have one for each day of the year. Here's an example. We've got 3 days of week number 24, where we have 8 active staff present, 16, and gives us our absent, paid, total paid, absent, unpaid, and so on, and the percentages. Now, to create a new a new attendance record for a day, a daily record, daily attendance, and what it's doing is asking me to confirm it. And this is going to set the date at August the 30th, which is today, and it's a Wednesday. We have done that because usually we'll start doing this on a Monday, so it automatically sets the date. The first question you're asked is the type of day, and generally it's a school day that you're going to take attendance on, because it's not of much use taking attendance on the off days. So we will just click on type of school day. You'll see this is set up, and what it's done is it's drawn all of the teachers or staff in. Now, my list at this point has more teachers than from 2 or 3 schools here, but nonetheless you'll see it's the same thing. It begins by putting in the type of day. The date of the sheet is Wednesday, the August the 30th, but I'm going to change that so it starts at the 4th of September. And it would be, the month will be September, it'll be week 36, and the year 2017, and it's a draft. Now, okay, so what it's done, it lists the teachers by last family name. My God, there's a lot of long and late numbers there. And it sets their attendance as present and the number of present as 1. So you get to the bottom, you've got 22 people on the list, you've got 22 active participants, you've got 22 presents. Now, to record the attendance, we can say that this person was absent or late, they're on a field trip, they're off-site, it's professional development day, it's at sports, or we can edit the list and carry on. So if this person is absent, it then automatically fills these fields with zeros and jumps over to the 6, so that we can say, okay, they were sick today, and it was a paid sick day. And then over here, our absentee comes up to 1, and it tells us the reasons of paid sick day. Now, you can change that if you wish. For example, if this person is late, we can then not absent, but we have a late, so we can either put down they're late by 1 hour, or we could actually choose. We could choose whether it's a medical late for a medical reason or whatever. And there's also an option for early depart. And there are other reasons. For example, you can have professional development, etc. So it's very easy and quick to fill out a week or a whole day's attendance. The numbers are tallied across the bottom, and it shows that we've got one absentee of 21 present, of 22 people, so we've got a 5% absentee rate. There is also an option here for certifying this record, so we know it's done and completed at the end of the day or the day following. And what it's done is it's automatically grabbed my account name and dumped it in this field, and it's put in the date and time that I have created this thing. So now I can return to the list, and you'll see this new date at the top. It's in draft. I haven't emailed it to anybody yet. It's for Monday, September 4th. It's a school day. We had 22 active staff. 21 were present. 1 was sick. 1 was present. And that's in a nutshell. I should have done the PDF, but I just wanted to get that to you. So that does the teacher's attendance. We also have a note here for all attendance, and we can do weekly. We can do by teacher reports and that sort of thing. You can explore that as you learn more about the system.